Hello and welcome to a new episode of 360 English. Myself, Matthew, and today we are going to discuss about the zero brokerage fee brokers, how they are surviving. Zero brokerage, some of you may get confused with the zero brokerage because majority of the broking houses like Angel Broking or Zerodha, they are also almost like zero broking. But that zero broking is just for delivery of equities only, not for futures or options. But some broking houses like mstock or finvasia or flat trade, SaaS online, these kind of people, they are offering free brokerage, means literally free brokerage for even futures and options also. So as a trader, these kind of options are always attractive for many traders. Now the question is, if some broking houses give you a zero broking scheme, how they can survive? Some of you may think that whether they survive or not, why we should bother? The thing is, if you are a trader and if you are holding some funds there in the trading account, if broker goes bankrupt, your money will be lost, and to a certain extent you can claim that from Investor Protection Fund of SEBI by filing your claims to the SCORES website. But that's time consuming. So as a trader, you should be concerned about the financial stability of the broker also. So in this episode, we are going to analyze various zero brokerage houses and which one looks attractive. The main zero broking houses are ProStocks, SaaS Online, Trade Plus. Among that, ProStocks and SaaS Online, they are taking monthly subscription or annual subscription fees. And some other brokerage like Stocks Box, they are also charging monthly subscription. One of the bigger broking house like mstocks, that's backed up with Mira Asset Management. Mira is a multinational financial group with the financial services, and that's headquartered in Seoul, South Korea. They provide comprehensive financial support services across the globe, and in India also they are running mutual funds also. So they are very much credible and convinced enough to sustain. One other broking house, that's Finvasia. They are not charging anything, absolutely free brokerage even for FnO also. Nothing is being charged. How they are sustaining, that's a mystery. The same question they have titled there in the website also, will we sustain? In that, they are just mentioning that they are virtually trying to get more subscribers. They are not revealing any plans for sustainable business operation. Now let's think about what are the possible threats these kind of zero brokerage houses will face. First and foremost thing, as you know, when the number of clients increases, obviously they have to invest more on the IT infrastructure, because as the traffic increases, the possible time delay to execute every trade, that does matter. In the case of stock markets, when some delay comes, obviously that makes a lot of difference on the ticker price. From that concept only, actually NSE collocation issues, that scam and everything came up. Okay, so as the number of clients increases, the overheads for IT infrastructure increases. Without getting revenue from each and every customer, how effectively these kind of brokers can invest more on IT infrastructure? That's a primarily question. So if some broking houses says that we are giving everything for free, the motive behind that either must to get the client base and sell the particular business to someone else later, or may have the plans to hike the broking fees at a later stage when they get enough or more subscribers and convinced with the services. So in this scenario, ProStocks or SaaS Online or Trade Plus, since they are charging monthly fees, we are not that much bothered about their revenue models or anything. But still those companies are very small, so their financial stability need to be questioned. The other one is 100% free. That's a Finvasia. Not at all convinced with their business model, and we have no idea about their financial stability also. In the recent filing, they have shown profit, but at the same time, their liabilities has been increased multiple times. So that's a basic question about the accounting practices. One other thing among this is the bigger one, that is mstocks backed with a mirror asset. That looks very convincing. Most probably a bigger asset management company like Mira, they come up with a zero broking house. The most probably their intention may be something different. Different in the sense the business model may be almost like how Reliance Jio came into the market. They may give for free, but at the latest stage they may sometimes charge you. That kind of things may happen. But right now they are saying it's a lifetime brokerage fee once you pay some upfront amount. I think it's a 999 rupees or something like that. So that kind of things are there. So among the free broking house, if you are an investor, you need not bother about much of these things, because sometimes you may be trading just 3 to 5 times in a month or something like. In that case, you need not bother about this kind of savings on brokerage. On the other hand, if you are a FnO trader, it's better you take any of these free broking houses, because that will considerably bring down the brokerage fees that you are paying to your broker. So among these, which one is better? That's a question. Obviously, as a trader, as a person, by analyzing the background of everyone, I prefer mstock itself after weighing the pros and cons. Because mstocks, that's backed up with the mirror asset, obviously that's a bigger conglomerate, and we need not bother about their financial backup. The disadvantage with the mirror asset is their trading interface and everything is only getting matured, because mirror mstocks platform is there in India for only the past 6 to 7 months only. So their IT infrastructure is not look that much convincing. Many things they have to come up with. They have to, a lot of refinement is needed in the interface as well as IT infrastructure part, I believe so. Not a major one, but still a lot of refinement is needed, and faster execution. That looks, from my personal experience, I felt the execution looks very fast, maybe because the IT backend may be better, and the number of clients also may be less, I believe, because the popularity is less. Why popularity is less? That's one another question. Because none of these kind of free to use platforms, none of these YouTube influencers, they won't promote. Because the problem, if someone promotes, if someone takes that one, since there is no broking fee involved, there is no recurring income will come for the referral partner, that is a YouTube influencer. Only one time something like 100 or 200 rupees these companies may share, that's all. After that, there is nothing. On the other hand, if the YouTube influencers share the links of something like Zerodha or Angel or Upstocks or any of these things, anyway, whenever you trade, whenever the clients trade, 50 to 80% of the brokerage will go to the influencer as a referral partner. So on the other hand, here nothing will happen. So that's the one good reason why none of the influencers, social influencers, they are recommending any of these things. So in a nutshell, what I suggest is zero broking fee things are good, especially if you are a trader in FnO. But the financial credibility of these brokers need to be evaluated. Among that, I personally prefer mstock. So if you prefer to join mstock, link and just to have a try, the link I have given in the description. If you want, you can try, you can join. Rest of the trading platforms that I have introduced here, I'm not convinced with that personally. So that's all for now. See you in the next episode. Till then, bye from Anup.